Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to encrypt a USB drive with the help of a VeraCrypt software. So I have already installed VeraCrypt software on my Windows machine. You can open the Google website and search download VeraCrypt and it will take you to this website. Here by going to the download page you can download the your your system specific VeraCrypt version and install it on your machine. So I'm running a Windows machine and I have already installed this VeraCrypt software on my machine. So you can do the same. So now let's encrypt this F drive. For the purpose of demonstration, I'm going to encrypt this F drive with the help of this VeraCrypt software. So let's get started. First of all, you will have to select the device. So here, just click on this button and click here. And I'm going to encrypt this removable F drive, which is a 14 GB pen drive. So I will select this and click OK. Now we will have to create a volume on this removable disk. So let's create volume. Now since we are encrypting a non-system partition, so we will have to select this second option and click next. And here we will use the standard VeraCrypt volume option and click next. Then it is asking us to select a volume location. So we will again select the F drive. So click here and select this partition 1 F drive, which is a 14 GB drive. So click OK and click next. So now comes this option volume creation mode. We will choose the first one, create encrypted volume and format it. Or you can use this second option also, but I will go with this first option. Click next. Now you have to choose the encryption type. So I will leave it as default and click next. Now we can verify that we are going to encrypt our removable USB drive by checking checking the size of this volume. Since it is 14 GB, so this makes sure that we are encrypting our USB drive only and not a system partition. And let's click next. Now we have to choose a password. For the purpose of demonstration, I will use a simple password, but you can read this description here to make your password strong enough so that no one can crack your VeraCrypt password easily. So I will choose a password and click next. Short passwords are easy to crack using brute force techniques. You can choose a strong password, but for the purpose of demonstration, I'm using a simple and short password. So I will click yes here. Now, do you intend to store files larger than 4 GB on this VeraCrypt volume? Yes. Click next. Now we have to randomize this. We have to increase the randomness by moving this mouse cursor over this screen here. So make sure I will keep moving the mouse screen until this bar gets green. So I have increased the randomness. Now I will format this drive. So it is asking, are you sure you want to proceed with format? Yes. So as you can see, this VeraCrypt has started formatting my USB drive, and you can check the progress of the process by looking here. So it has completed 1%. Its speed is 5.5 MB per second, and minutes left is 44 minutes. So since this process is gonna take time, I will pause this video and resume it when this process is completed. Now as you can see, this encryption process is going to get completed. Okay, now the VeraCrypt has encrypted this my USB drive, and it is saying that please keep in mind that this volume cannot be mounted or accessed using the drive letter app which is currently assigned to it. So I will click OK, and it says that VeraCrypt volume has been successfully created. Click OK, click next. So I will cancel it, and then let's see. If I see here the my USB drive is attached with the system, if I click on it, it says you need to format it to use it. So but I have encrypted my USB drive, so how can I access my USB drive? So in order to access this encrypted USB drive, as you can see, it is saying is not accessible. So Windows is not recognizing this encrypted USB drive F. So in order to use it, I will have to mount this USB drive with the help of VeraCrypt. So what I will do is I will mount it with the help of VeraCrypt. So as you can see here, the drive letter of this USB stick is F. So I will select this drive, partition F, removable disk 1, which is my USB drive. Click OK, and now I will click mount. Okay, so we will have to first select a drive letter. So we can use any of these drive letters for this purpose. So I will use this B drive letter. Now I will click mount. So now I will have to enter the password. So I will enter my chosen password which I used to create this encrypt this USB drive, and click OK. So as you can see here, this drive letter B has been created, and I can copy my data into this drive B. Now in this way I can use my USB drive. So this is how you can encrypt your USB drive and use it. Now in order to dismount it, just click on dismount and exit, and right now from here you can right click and eject app and remove your USB drive. So this is how we can use VeraCrypt to encrypt our removable USB drive. I hope you got something to learn from this video. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.